Cassava flour production starts with harvesting and washing. The roots are peeled, grated, pressed, dried, and milled. The first stage is harvesting. Mature cassava roots are harvested from the farm. They are then transported to the factory. Next is washing. The cassava roots are washed with clean water. This removes dirt and sand. The second stage is peeling. The cassava roots are peeled. This removes the outer skin. Next is grating. The cassava is cut into small pieces. Next is dewatering. Excess water is removed. This prepares the cassava for drying. Next is drying. The cassava is dried to remove moisture. This makes it ready for milling.
The screener separates the granules. The mesh allows smaller particles through. Larger pieces move off for further processing.
Next is milling. The dried cassava is ground into flour. This creates a fine texture.
Cassava flour is made from the whole cassava root with no additives or preservatives. It is also very versatile for cooking and baking.